Well, for you to try mind, Nigeria not the country. Today is the first time I'm telling anyone to share my video. I want everyone to share this video as long as you see the video. I want this video to go as far as to the end. Every Nigerian should see this. Because this is too much. Always you are bragging without thinking. I used to know Nigerians to be wise. I'm sorry, I mean no disrespect. That was there. I used to know Nigerians to be wise people. They were very intelligent. I don't know if the education system has declined in Nigeria or if it is the bad government that has made the brains has become also bad. Because it's only few people in Nigeria, only few people now they reason. The rest is always just taking glory. Nigeria be the giant of Africa and this. Nigeria the giant of Africa, that was there, no dispute. But today in 2025, Nigeria not be in that category to be a giant of Africa. Now body not day, energy not day, muscle not day. That was ages ago. When you produce intellectual, people with reason, people that will fight against oppression, that was there. And you are saying Nigeria can smoke Burkina Faso, Nigeria can this and that. Come let me jog your memory. Since your president is in bed with the French president, I believe you believe that Nigeria is not bigger than France, right? Exactly now is 2 years in 2023. This is Burkina Faso we are talking about. You are smoking, you are this, you are underrating. They arrested four French officials that they accused them of espionage in Burkina Faso. They were in prison in 2023 until 2024. With all the muscle we are talking about, military power, France has it maybe 10 times or 100 times than Nigeria. But what they do, they cannot do anything to that small liberal power of Burkina Faso. For a year, those prisoners are in prison until Macron go to Morocco and talk to the king of Morocco. He is the one that intervened in behalf of the French government. And they pay 60 million euro to release those 4 people that they arrested. Do you know what that means? Did Nigeria gather France? Let me tell you something. In the entire Africa, as a continent, there is only 3 presidents now in Africa. The rest are just representatives, even including your Tinubu, including my country. The only people you call president leaders today in Africa is the same people you hate you call leaders. Ibrahim Traoré, Abdurrahman Chani, Assimi Goïta. These 3 people are the leaders that take order from no one. Your president you are bragging for Nigeria is bigger than that. He cannot even take a decision for himself. He received a call from the French president and he didn't consult anyone. He took action on his own and went straight to other country to show his power. You have military power and Nigeria is running from terrorists because the magazine that the government is giving to them, when that one is finished, they are running away. So what military power are you talking about? So what brand are you talking about? We will smoke them. You get power pass. The same person will control your president. You get power pass. So you talk. You think it's a talk? No, we talk. Don't give up 24 hours. Now let me just release. The plane is still for Burkina Faso. I will be happy if you give you back that plane. If not, you don't get anything to be that plane. Plane when they get first time we hear about the plane and the plane emergency issue. Ibrahim Traoré has nothing to be that. If you use that plane, now to fast me go. My brother, now to fast me go. To put all those cement, anything people donate, that plane will can bring that to develop the country. And this is a small country that you don't underrate. You see cold situation For this recent video where you do, the 10th of this month, you see one message, that message not be for your president. For Abraham Traoré mind, I swear. For Abraham Traoré mind, Nigeria will be counted. This Nigeria where they say this Abraham Traoré for mind, Nigeria will be counted. See what he do, he declare revolution against the entire West. Anybody when you oppress in people, he don't declare revolution, meaning he don't give his life, he ready for that. He's ready to die for that country and the people, for anyone where they come oppress them. You see leader, you see leader, and the same people where in they sent away, you they embed with them. And you go see your economy. You go see your economy. Nigeria where get oil pass Dubai, where get oil pass all those Arab countries today where they live like kings. All of their citizens, Nigeria get oil pass them. But the same people where they support and then they control your oil. Where the better things where they don't bring for Nigeria or for Africa, since the time when they did that continent, what did they don't bring? If not be use clothes, we they go back to their place. If not be use cars, anything where they don't use, now that what they bring for Africa. Tell you which benefit. People you dey easy. Not everything they think brutal. Even this brutal way they do, you don't get that power. You don't get that power. This small liberal Traoré is so. You are talking about democracy. He is a cool leader. Let me take you back to Nigeria if you even know that history. Do you know Sani Abacha? Who is Sani Abacha? Did Sani Abacha came to power democratically elected? No. No. Then how comes the same Sani Abacha become the chairman of ECOWAS? What happened to democracy? A good leader in Nigeria become ECOWAS chairman. How come? Is it everything Nigeria? Do you think other people know they for Africa? It's only Nigeria. If it is not Nigeria, it's Nigeria. Today, if Africa they unite, they said they will choose leader. My brother, even the Traoré is in the front. I'm telling you. Because we are not talking about the leaders. This is the general population. They want to choose their leaders. Your president will be governor. Because even if they put all the entire continent, all the leaders in one place, and they put Abraham Traoré in one place, he will pass them still. He will still win them. All of them. So you should calm down. You should calm down. Not everything is brutal. You don't have power more than France. You should use your brain. Just as I said, Nigerian people used to be wise. But I don't know what wrong because this way you guys are speaking. It's not someone who is thinking. How can you just wake up and talking about brutality? You go to Burkina and smoke them. The one you are working for your boss, they arrested their people. They do not think they pay to release them. You want to tell me that you have power more than them? No. So they come. Everyone who saw the video, please share the video. I want all of them to see this video. I'm sorry guys, I mean no disrespect, but let's accept the truth, right? It is how it is. As always, follow for more facts and updates.